Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Data Saver on Snapchat to help reduce your mobile data usage. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open the App Store on your phone and go to the search bar. Type Snapchat and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Keeping your app updated is important because some features may not appear or work properly on older versions. Once you've updated the app, open Snapchat and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Now scroll all the way down until you find the Data Saver option and tap on it. Here you'll see the option to enable Data Saver mode. Simply toggle it on. When Data Saver is enabled, Snapchat will stop automatically loading snaps and stories. You'll need to tap on them to load manually, which helps save your mobile data, especially if you're not connected to Wi-Fi. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn on Data Saver on Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Snapchat and iPhone tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.